Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a you and yours reading today, Virgo. That's you and the person who's affecting your energy now, and what actions we can expect out of this connection. So let's begin. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and leave the rest. My angel spirit guides bless this reading for my Virgo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin. Let's begin our reading and see what's going on in this connection. The first card I have is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Six of Cups, High Priestess, Seven of Cups, Four of Wands, and the Empress. So for me, Virgo, this is person A. And now I'm going to start opening the cards for person B. You would know which side you belong, all right? So the other person is your person. So you know which side you resonate best with. Eight of Pentacles, the Lovers, Chariot, Three of Wands, Six of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. And the most likely action person A will take now, and the most likely action person B wants to take now. Let's put these cards here, and bottom of my spread I do see the Knight of Wands in reverse. Oh, Knight of Wands in reverse is a little bit immature. They don't take responsibility. They kind of don't step up to the plate. Okay, especially since I see I have an Empress here who's feeling rather upset and angry that yes, their energy is in reverse right now, maybe because of this King of Wands energy who's in reverse as well. So let's take some dialogue message cards and see what's really going on with you, Virgo. Virgo and their person, Spirit, what's going on with them? Thank you. Let's take a few more from here. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a few more from here. Virgo and their person, Spirit. Virgo and their person. Thank you. All right, Virgo, we're good to go. Let's begin our reading. The first card I have here for you says, I get so frustrated when you're on the phone when we are together. I want to get up and walk out of the room because it's so disrespectful. I see our time together as sacred and, believe it or not, limited. If we are spending precious time together, our attention should be on each other. Isn't that just what I said, Virgo? There is an Empress here feeling dethroned, feeling, she's not being respected. Why? Because they're dealing with maybe an immature energy here. So, okay, so that's one complaint we have here, Virgo. Let's see the second card. It says, I'm so very sorry that I caused you so much pain. I'm very, very sorry that I caused you so much pain. Okay, so whoever this person is apologizing. My past of how I was raised affects how I act now in life. I got a whiff of your scent. It made me smile, remembering you. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. I'm a completely new and better person because of you. The way we are in sync scares the hell out of me. I'm terrified. So the connection is very strong, it seems here, Virgo. Whoever this person is for you, vice versa, I don't know. But the connection, the chemistry is phenomenal. But there are these little hitches because maybe you guys are kind of not on the same level. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Let me take one angel blessing card to top the reading, and then I'll start clarifying these cards. My angels, What do you have for Virgo now as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo, please. Play music. Don't take things that seriously, Virgo. I think that's what Spirit is saying. I think take a chill pill. Everything's going to be fine. Okay? All right. So let's put this card here. And these two cards I'll open later, Virgo. These are the actions that we can expect you guys to take towards each other. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So for person A, how they're feeling right now, they feel that yes, this is a very strong soulmate connection that I feel with person B, but I don't think we can have a stable new beginning or any stability in the future, or we can begin anything new. The Ace of Pentacles is in reverse with the Six of Cups upright. Right? So even though the feeling is there, the connection is there, that friendship is there, maybe this is somebody you've known for some time now, but still it hasn't taken off, or you feel it can't take off. Let's see why that is. Ace of Pentacles in reverse and the Six of Cups, Spirit. Oh my God, this is a very strong connection. I have the Two of Cups here as well with the Six of Cups. So this is a very, very strong soulmate connection, but maybe somebody is not very good in their communication, or maybe not speaking the truth, or hasn't spoken the truth yet, or maybe is immature in the way they communicate. So I think person A is feeling a little upset about that and saying, hey, I don't think, they feel this entire relationship always backfires on them only. Whatever they try, but because of person B's behavior, they always feel like they get the short end of the stick. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, to make person A feel like that? The High Priestess and the Seven of Cups. Maybe they had to keep it as a secret, and that didn't make them very happy. Maybe somebody didn't want to make a choice. What's the Seven of Cups, Spirit? Seven of Cups. They wanted somebody to make a choice here. They didn't want this thing maybe to remain a secret. They wanted to move into a happier space where they wanted their person to come and offer them sweet nothings, show them that they loved them. Even though they felt that they were not making a choice, making a decision. And may probably not telling them or keeping it a secret. Maybe this was a secret relationship. I don't know, Virgo. Many scenarios out there, too many people, right? Let's see what is the action. How do they feel? How do they feel about person B now? They feel Four of Wands and the Empress in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Maybe they feel they have to end something. They feel they have to end something to begin something. Now, this is a very unbalanced, unjust kind of a relationship. Maybe maybe person A needs some answers now. They're asking the hard questions that maybe they have a previous relationship which they have to end. The Empress sometimes can represent a wife, and the Four of Wands in reverse could be a home house situation. And person A feels that their person is not doing justice, not doing the right thing. They're not bringing... Somebody wants to know the truth as to, are you going to, how long is this imbalance going to stay? Let's see person B. I'll open the outcome card later, Virgo. Let's see person B. Eight of Pentacles in reverse and the Lovers in reverse. Why do they feel like this, Spirit? They feel that if they don't make a choice, They know they have to make a choice. Yes, they know they have to make a choice. They feel their partner is not going to put in any more work into this connection. Ace of Wands is in reverse for them. They feel if they don't make a choice soon and don't put in any work into this connection, they're going to be left behind, left out in the cold by person A. What happened in the recent past, Spirit? For them to feel this way? I don't think they took action. Chariot in reverse and the Three of Wands upright. So maybe they were waiting and watching for too long and not really taking any action. Yes, they never spoke up, or they kept secrets. They didn't want to feel like a loser in the connection, and they probably kept waiting for the right time to say something. I don't know, but this could have been a third party situation. I have a Three of Cups and a Three of Wands here, 2 threes here, and this person was trying to keep quiet and not move forward because they didn't want to maybe look like a loser, or maybe they didn't want people to think they were a loser, and they never took action regarding something. So let's see, how do they see their person now? Six of Swords and the Six of Pentacles in reverse. They feel because they didn't take the right direction, they didn't go in the right way, the way person A wanted them to go, and offer equal give and take. This relationship has now become a bit imbalanced. Yes, they feel their partner has stopped fighting for them or is on the verge of dropping them now. They desperately want to go back to their partner, but they feel their partner has already cast judgment on them and dropped them. Okay, so let's see what's the most likely outcome person A will take. Nothing. Person A is now feeling rejected, they're feeling sad, they're feeling depressed, they are not interested in talking, sharing, moving, nothing. Because they're sitting, because they still love person B a lot. There's a big cup of love that they feel for person B, and maybe secretly still keeping a watch on person B to see where they're at, will they come back, because there is a lot of love here. But this person, I don't think, is taking any action because they're feeling a bit sad and depressed at the way this relationship has been progressing. So what's the action person B will take now, Spirit? Nine of Wands in reverse. What's that, Spirit? They're taking stock of their life at the moment. They want to do the right thing. They're confused. They're very confused. I think on one end, they are trying to avoid some kind of a fight, some kind of a conflict. I think this person could be stuck between a marriage because they're heavily thinking about that, and also about losing the person that they love, the conflict it can create. What's this for Nine of Wands, Spirit? This person definitely wants to return. They want to return, but they're waiting for something. I don't know what they're still waiting for. They are also not right now making any movement. They want to, but they don't know what to say, maybe because they haven't yet made up. They have made up their mind. I think they're just worried of something, maybe a conflict or anger or a disruption of some sort where things can go wrong, probably in their own life with a third party. So maybe right now they don't know what to say to person A to make them feel better. But yes, they do want to take action. Anything else, Spirit, for Virgo? Anything else for Virgo? Beautiful. Spirit is saying, please don't worry, Virgo, if whichever side you're on. I think this is a common message. Once some decision is going to be made soon. Okay? And once that decision is made, Virgo, that'll be the end of all this overthinking, overstressing, not being able to sleep at night. Before you know it, there is action coming towards you, there is news coming towards you, communication is going to go back and forth, and it's going to be really good and really sudden. So Spirit is saying, don't worry at the moment, take a chill pill, play some music, things will be fine soon. Okay? All right, so that's what I have for you, Virgo. Take care, love and light, namaste, and I will see you soon now on Saturday now for your love bite.